Everyone heard about Napoleon, but the story behind his history is interesting. Toastmaster of the day, my fellow Toastmasters and my dear guests. Good evening everyone. Napoleon Bonaparte was one of the France's greatest minds. He was such a bravery leader in the history. Even though he was born in an ordinary family, with his self-confidence, self-respect, brave and intelligence, he became as an emperor of France. When he was a child, a woman asked him that, what job you would like to do when you become old? He replied that, I want to be the emperor of France. When Napoleon became as the king, that old woman reminded this incident to Napoleon. He read more and more books and slept only 4 hours. This led him to French Revolution. For his inauguration, the Pope was invited, but he brought the crown from the Pope and he put the crown himself. He did this with a purpose because he hiddenly informed to Rome and other countries that he would not be controlled by other countries. This was very controversial at that time. Napoleon invaded Russia because Russia did not agree with his agreement. The people of Moscow, they have vacated the town because they have known the invasion. Napoleon entered Russia with the soldiers of 6 lakhs, but finally he returned to France with the soldiers of 20,000. So this was very huge failure in his life. After the French Revolution, the French state clearly identified his rare talents and promoted him to the position of artillery commander. At that point, he was brought to the contact of Josephine, a widow with 2 children. He was absolutely powerless in front of Josephine. He started to give up all of his victories for the sake of Josephine. A dramatic change has happened after this meeting. He asked him that, should others show the same fear that is shown to you by your enemies in the battlefield? Do you expect me to fear you? He replied that, my dear, let me call you by your purest names. I am on your lap as a lion of lioness. Napoleon married Josephine through a genuine love. After their marriage, he has to leave to Italy for an invasion. In a sensitive mood, he said, my dear, when you love me, I feel conquering the whole world. From Italy, he sent an unbroken chain of letters. But she didn't care those much. She liked that a pregnant woman can't go on a such journey. Finally, he invited her to come to Italy. But the mere news of false pregnancy made the emperor overjoyed and he shared with that mere news with fellow soldiers. But after the invasion of Italy, when he returned to France, he realized that everything has changed. She had betrayed with a falsehood of pregnancy. My dear friends, Napoleon ruled half of the world, but he knelt before a woman who never responded his honest love. What can we learn from his life? Napoleon was unquestionably a great strategist and a great leader. But his leadership styles has many flaws which led him to his downfalls in his life. First, there are many battles he could have won if he had more patience. Second one, he rises from the ashes many times. So, we also can learn this from his life. Third one, even though he was born in an ordinary family, with his self-confidence, self-respect, brave and intelligence, he became as an emperor of France. My dear friends, if you have the perseverance and hard work, you also can succeed in your life. I wish you a successful life. Over to you, Toastmaster.